In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make JotForm copy data to Google Drive. This process will help you seamlessly integrate your online forms with your Google Drive, ensuring that all your data is organized and easily accessible. Let's dive right into it. First things first, you'll need to log into your JotForm account. If you don't have an account yet, you can quickly create one by visiting their website and following the sign-up instructions. Assuming you're all set with your account, head over to the dashboard. You'll notice a top toolbar there. This is where all the magic begins. Look for the integrations option among the various tabs and click on it. This will take you to a page filled with numerous integration options that JotForm offers. Now in the search bar of the integrations page, type in Google Drive. This search will narrow down the integration options, and you should see Google Drive pop up on your screen. Click on it to start the connection process between JotForm and Google Drive. Next, you'll need to connect your Google account. When you click on the Google Drive integration, it prompts you to log into your Google account if you haven't done so already. Make sure to log into the Google account where you want the JotForm data to be stored. Once logged in, JotForm will request permission to access your drive. This step is crucial as it establishes the link between the two applications. Approve the access permissions, ensuring that JotForm can create files and folders in your drive as needed. With the integration underway, it's time to choose the destination folder in Drive where you'd like the data to go. You can either select an existing folder or create a new one for better organization. Think of this folder as the repository for all the information collected through your forms. Picking the right folder from the get-go will save you a lot of hassle in the future, helping keep everything neat and orderly. The next step involves mapping the file upload fields in your form. This step is where you determine which pieces of data from your form get transferred to Google Drive. Carefully select the form fields that you want to map to specific sections or files in your drive. This precision ensures that the data is stored exactly how you want it. It's an excellent way to categorize and sort through information efficiently whenever you need to retrieve it later. Finally, after you've set up everything the way you like, hit the Save Integration button. This essential step officially connects JotForm and Google Drive, setting up the automated data transfer process. Once saved, you're all set. Moving forward, all relevant form submissions will automatically be sent to your designated Drive folder. And that's it. By following these simple steps, you've linked JotForm with Google Drive, making your data collection and storage process seamless and productive. If you have any questions or encounter any issues, feel free to check out JotForm's extensive help resources.